Okay. Anyway, I thought, what the heck? Might as well show this whole process. So, getting some Bondo out of here, slathering it on our piece of Lexan here. Ah, gosh. Stuff is really kind of weird when you pull it out. It like sticks to stuff, and okay. I want a little decent amount to fill in those parts, so yeah, I'm gonna go like that. Let's see, call that good. Get our thing probably a little bit more than I need here. That's okay. Okay, so we'll work this in. Color looking right, hopefully. This Lexan works really good. Okay, just kind of mixing it like that, smoothing it out. I heard you don't want to fold it and stuff because you make bubbles, so you just kind of want to scrape it together. Yes, that makes sense. Just want to make sure all the colors are combined, hopefully. So I got no green and no red showing up really, but just all the same color. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just apply it to my trowel here. Good grief, this stuff is weird to work with. It's kind of like putty when you're doing drywall, but not. Okay. Alright, so in here, I'm just going to try and nice coat in here, hopefully, and in here as well. So, yeah, you can see I'm just trying to get it right in the low spot. Just trying to work it right in there. So when I sand it, should be all good here, hopefully. Try and work that off your thing, bring it more towards the top so you can work that in. Kind of just like mud and doing drywall. Really, it's very similar. Except you don't have the luxury of a lot of time. Okay, so I'm just smoothing that across there. And making sure it's in the low spot. And okay, so that's a high spot there. Okay, so got it in the low spots now, I think. So I'm trying to keep it in there. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. I think it's higher now than it was in as far as in the low spots. So then hopefully now, once that hardens, I can sand it, and then it'll get all the low spots out. So there we go. I'm going to clean off my tools real quick before they become uncleanable, and we'll be back.